Is your Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram ready to handle the summer heat? Problems with your AC can stem from old hoses, lines, seals, compressor, or belts. If your system is leaking refrigerant or your hoses and belts are cracking, your AC system will break down. You can trust that our factory-trained and certified technicians will provide a complete AC system inspection and service. Because a properly maintained air conditioning system cools your vehicle faster and more efficiently and is better for the environment. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.